We're starting a new chapter now, and we're going to be taking a look at working with external reference files, or XREFs for short. And an external reference file, or external reference drawing, or XREF, is a virtual paper-clipped drawing that you attach to your existing host drawing. So basically then you've got the information from the XREF and your host drawing so that you can see what's going on. One of the other benefits is if you've got an XREF file attached to your drawing, somebody can work on that XREF as well and update it. And then when you refresh that connected XREF, you've got the updated data attached to your host drawing as well. Now, we've got two drawings for you. We've got this one that you can see on the screen, which is new office proposal.dwg. And you've also got this one, landscaping area. Now, landscaping area is another separate DWG file. Make sure you download both files and put them in the same folder. Now, there's a reason for that, and I'll explain that in a minute. Make sure that your current drawing is the new office proposal drawing. Then we're going to go to the Home tab on the ribbon and just make sure that you're using the XREFs layer as your current layer. Now, the reason we're doing that is we obviously want the XREF to come in on its own layer in the drawing. That's why we've got the XREFs layer. Now, I'm going to go to the Insert tab on the ribbon here, and you'll notice we have a reference panel where we can attach, clip, adjust, and so on. Now, I need you to click on this little arrow here on the reference panel. That'll open up your external references palette. Now, you can see your drawing. There's your new office proposal drawing there, your current drawing. Now, what we need to do is attach our landscaping area drawing. Now, you can attach a drawing that's already open. And then what happens is AutoCAD will prompt you to let you know if any changes to that drawing have been made. So if I go up here to the top left corner and click on the flyout, you can see that I can attach lots of different file types. Select Attach DWG. And you'll see there that that takes me to the folder where my drawings are right now. So I've got landscaping area.dwg and I've got new office proposal.dwg in the same folder. They must be in the same folder. Ignore the complete ones. Those are my completed drawings that I use for reference when I'm recording your courses. So I want landscaping area. I click on open and then the attach external reference dialog box appears. Now, there's a lot of different settings in here. A lot of them you won't even need to change. Okay, so reference type is attachment, like so. You don't need to worry about overlays. It's just a basic attachment at the moment. Scale, leave all of that set to 1. Insertion point, make sure it's unticked, and the X, Y, and Z, even though we're not using Z, we're in a flat 2D drawing, just make sure they're all set to 0. Now, the path type, this is the important bit, why they're in the same folder. If I click on the flyout there, you've got 3 options. You've got no path, relative path, or full path. Now, relative path is the one that you're going to use, and relative path lets AutoCAD know that the 2 files, the host drawing and the XREF drawing, are in the same folder. So make sure you've got relative path set and the 2 files are in the same folder. Rotation, angle 0 is horizontal, that's fine. And the block unit, it's already picked that up, it's in millimeters. So if I now click on OK, you'll see that the landscaping area pops in there next to our new office proposal. So what we've done is we've brought information from the landscaping area drawing and we've virtually paperclipped it to our new office proposal. You'll notice it's there, landscaping area, it's loaded, it's an attachment. And that little dot and that little slash there, landscaping area.dwg, lets me know that it's relative and it's in the same folder as the new office proposal drawing. So I can now close the external references palette. And if I click on this, it's all one object. It's a reference, as you can see. External reference tab kicks in on the ribbon, and there's tools there for me to work on that external reference file. Now we'll go into some of those as we work through this chapter. Just hit a couple of times on the escape key to deselect the XREF that is attached to the new office proposal drawing. And we'll move into the next video and we'll start working with XREFs in our AutoCAD files.